everyone. My name is Oyemi, and I'm here to give you a report of week 4 at Web3Bridge. It has been an interesting ride, and then in the week 4 we talked about a lot of things. We talked about variable, where you can have your state variable, you can also have your local variable. We talked about modifier, modifying a function like to state a condition before a function can run. We also talked about block.timestamp, which can give you and help you to work with dates in Solidity. We also talked about data location, like the storage, like the call data, and also the memory. There are some use cases where you can easily use all this stuff in Solidity. We also talked about constructor. The constructor is the first function that runs at the creation of your smart contract, and then anything you put in the constructor will be the first thing that you set when your smart contract is being created. And then also there are some ways at which you can send your ether. Like we have the keyword payable whenever you want to send or receive ether into your smart contract. This keyword payable is very important and then to use because it helps you to receive and then also send ether from and then into your smart contract. And then we also talked about mapping. Mapping helps you to make track that it helps you to keep track of some stuff that you're working with in your smart contract. We also talked about the for and while loop. Now, like loop, whenever you want to loop over an array like that has a lot of item in it. And then in the class we said let's using the for loop be your last resort whenever you're working in the smart contract, because it consumes a lot of gas. So for optimization of your gas, let the for loop be your last resort whenever you're writing a smart contract. And this has been the summary of my week 4 at Web3Bridge, and it has been an interesting ride. I hope by next week you'll also be here to hear the interesting report I have to give about my report at Web3Bridge. Thank you. Cheers.